Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a photo frame with paper. First, gather your materials. You will need a sheet of sturdy paper, perhaps 160 GSM or more, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and some glue. Having a craft knife can also be very helpful for precise cuts. Make sure your chosen paper is large enough to accommodate your photo plus a border. This project is a fun and simple way to display your cherished memories. Now, let's prepare the base of our frame. Take your sturdy paper and cut it to your desired outer dimensions, for instance, 8 inches by 10 inches. Next, using your ruler and pencil, carefully mark a smaller rectangle inside, which will be the opening for your photo. For a standard 4 by 6 inch photo, you might mark an opening of 3 3/4 by 5 3/4 inches, leaving a border of about 2 inches on each side. With your inner rectangle marked, it's time to create the actual frame. Carefully cut along the lines of your inner rectangle. You can use scissors or a craft knife for a cleaner edge. Now, fold the outer edges of your main paper inward. A 1-inch fold on each side works well to create a substantial border. Press these folds down firmly to ensure crisp lines, which will give your frame a professional and neat appearance. Finally, let's assemble and finish our paper photo frame. Apply a thin line of glue along the folded edges and press them down to secure the frame's structure. You can also add a separate backing piece of paper, slightly larger than your photo opening, to hold your picture securely. Once the glue is dry, your frame is ready for your favorite photo. Feel free to decorate it with markers, glitter, or other embellishments to make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.